Very good afternoon, Arvindan.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome to a talk with Arvindan, who scored 175 of 180 mark in the NEET examination in physics in NEET 2020. Now we are discussing with Arvindan to give some information to his juniors in their preparation. Okay, Arvindan, first of all, very congratulations to you. You scored 175 mark in physics and overall 690 mark out of 720 in NEET 2020. Okay, once again, I'm congratulating you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now I would like to ask some questions to give some information to your juniors to reduce their difficulties while preparation for the NEET examination. Can I ask?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, first question. How do you scored 175 out of 180 mark in physics? Because every medical student feel physics is difficult than other subject. They are feeling biology is the scoring subject like that, right?
But actually, it's not like that, sir. Physics is easy only. If we understand the concepts, then it will be very easy, sir.
Okay. So what is the strategy? What is the strategy followed to prepare physics, and what is the guidance you are going to give for NEET aspirants, those who are having physics phobia?
First is there is nothing to get fear of physics, sir. It is also a normal subject only like biology and chemistry. Actually, there is nothing to get fear, sir. It's a normal subject only, and if we understand concepts, then physics will be very easy. While preparation, we should first understand the concept of each topic. Then we should practice problems on same concepts. If we practice problems, then we will have an idea of how questions will be asked and how much we have gained knowledge in that topic. In that way, we can prepare, sir. And then last times I revised each chapters, notes, quick revision notes, and practiced more questions.
Okay. Then, like other subjects, physics also easy only, right? As per your observation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the books you followed for physics?
For studying concepts and theory, I didn't use any extra books, sir. Because basic theory we got from NCERT books itself during regular board classes. Then application oriented, we studied in our class, NEET classes. So I revised our class notes and practiced problems from books, MTG books, which was given from our school.
Okay.
And 31 years previous year questions I practiced.
Okay, well. Okay. Regarding biology.
Again and again I studied. Sir.
Say, continue.
Again and again I studied the same books instead of going with many different books.
Okay. So that is the point I gave to our students many times. Don't go for many books. You need to revise the books what you studied earlier. You have to revise many times, right? Revision of material many times is more important than searching for new books, right? Yes. Okay. So how you do feeling? You got 175 out of 180, whereas in other subjects, actually you will get out of mark in biology also, but during the examination maybe you thought in different manner. I think so. I expected you in physics you got 175 means you will get out of mark in biology. Okay, right now regarding biology. How to read the NCERT to perform well in biology?
For biology, NCERT is sufficient, sir. We don't want to go with other books, sir. Other extra points is also maximum. It's not needed, sir. While studying NCERT, first we have to understand what is given in the book. Without understanding, if we study means it will last for only 1 or 2 days. After exam, we will forget. Then again, we want to study from beginning. Like that, it will be there. So when we are studying the chapter for first time, we should understand it thoroughly, and we should complete each and every line, sir. So for first time, it will take nearly 2 or 3 hours, sir. It's not at all a problem. If we study once thoroughly, then next time if we study, then it will be very easy, sir. We can complete with short time. Again and again, we should study NCERT only, sir. From 11th beginning till this end of NEET exam, I didn't go with any other books, sir. I had some other Allen materials also, but I didn't study even one line also from the books. Only
Okay.
NCERT I studied many times.
Okay. So next question: How do you plan your day to study well? How is the planning of a day?
Now in this 6 months from March till our exam, in the morning session I studied biology, sir. Afternoon chemistry, and in evening time physics. Whenever I'm studying, first I will revise concepts and I will practice questions on the same concepts, sir. Daily we will have DPT and specific syllabus for studying each day, no, sir. In that way.
Okay. So next, very important question for every student, those who are appearing for competitive examination. How you balance the stress and time during the examination? So even though the questions are known by the students, but many students they said after completion of the exam, they said, sir, because of very simple, very minor or silly mistakes, we done wrong many questions in physics, like that. Your classmates and all informed to me. Again, a very silly mistake. I know all the questions, sir, but during the examination, I did very simple mistake. That is the reason we got 135, 140. So our students, our classmates are metric students, and all are scored around 130, 130 plus, like that. They scored, but there is a possibility of scoring more. So that is a balance of time during the examination, and how they uh, tackle with time, and how they remove the stress. So what are your points you followed to avoid the stress and to manage the time during the examination?
When I entered exam hall, I had a lot of fear, sir. Body fully sweating like that. Too much fear was there. Exam will start by 2 o'clock, and I reached the exam hall by 12:45, sir. From 12:45 till 1:15, simply I relaxed, sir. I didn't do anything. Simply relaxed, drank water. Then I went to restroom. Then again from 1:15 till uh, yes, sir. 1:15 till 1:45, I prayed only, sir, to God. Prayer.
Okay, good.
By
So
that way, when exam started, I didn't have any fear, sir. Just like our normal exam in our schools, I was very casual without any fear. I was very normal at the time, sir. I didn't have any fear when exam was started. So that only I was able to focus on question paper. If fear is there, then that's all. What we know also.
okay, the last
And, during school exams, uh, time management is like biology I will complete within 40 or 45 minutes, and again chemistry within 45 minutes. So 1.5 hour will be over, sir. In remaining 1.5 hour, physics I will do, sir. In last 15 minutes, I will check whichever questions are unattempted, and if possible, I will attempt them also. In that way, I will do,
to
sir.
to score good marks in physics, you need to spend more time, at least 1 hour 15 minutes to 1 hour 30 minutes you have to spend for physics to score
Yes,
more in physics, right? So
yes,
that
sir.
is how you plan your time during the examination. Okay.
From beginning, I practiced like that only, sir.
Okay. From starting weekend examinations, what are the examinations you written during your school days? In those days, you practiced like that. Is finally you applied the same. Yes. Right. Okay. Okay.
First
What
biology,
are,
then chemistry, and then physics.
okay. So what are the suggestions you're going to give for next NEET 2021 aspirants?
Suggestions. Now they should get out of all social media and games like that. Some they are simply useless, sir. Simply wasting our time. So we should get out of them first, and we should realize, sit calm, and we should think of why we are here and what we should do for our parents, why we studied for past 12 years. This is the single exam which is going to decide our future. So we should realize all those things, and we should focus on studies alone, sir. So during my preparation, I gave break to all those games, mainly Instagram. I will spend so much time there, but I didn't use that for from 12th standard onwards itself, sir. And even if we are not using them, also we may get stressful. At that time, we can go outside for a small walk, or we can speak with parents. Suppose we are so much stressful, means we can take a deep sleep, sir. That will be more than sufficient. And
That is
sir,
that is the way to avoid distraction from studies, right?
yes, sir.
Oh,
And not only, sir, I gave break to friendship also, sir. Even my friends know that very well. I think even though apparently we are speaking with others also, but I didn't mingle with them for this long days, sir. Even I didn't speak with them in mobile also, because by hearing what they are saying, we may get some other kind of distractions, or we will lose our potential with what we are studying. Like that, some problems may come. So I gave break to everything, sir.
okay. Okay, Arvind. Then so all the best for your bright future.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you.
Thank you, sir.